A happy new year 2022 to all of you. And welcome back to another episode here from the Off-Grid Garage in rainy Australia. It is the 1st January 2022. I may come from the future to you, I don't know. At least when I publish this one, everyone should be in the new happy year. Well guys, thank you so much for over 20,000 subscribers now. I think it was 2 or 3 days ago when I hit the 20,000 subscriber mark. It was in the middle of the night, so I couldn't really watch it live. And in the morning it was already 20,066 subscribers. Thank you so much and welcome to all the new subscribers here on the channel. I think we had almost 3,000 new subscribers alone in December last year. Yes, that was last year. So welcome to the channel to everyone new here and welcome back to everyone else. I hope you had a fantastic start into 2022 and I wish you and your families all the best. Please stay healthy in these crazy times and of course stay charged. Don't forget to stay charged. Yeah, and I thought, how better can we start the new year 2022 with 20,000 subscribers? It is mind-blowing, I can't believe it. This is still totally unreal for me. I mean, I'm standing here in my garage in Australia and talking to this little camera here and over 20,000 people. Thank you so much guys, thank you so much, really. It is overwhelming sometimes. And I thought about what can we do better in 2022 than we did in 2021. Here for the channel. And I thought about all these changes for a long time now. So here's the list. Well, nothing. We are not going to change anything here on the channel. Everything will stay as it is. There will be no changes, not even the music will change. Yeah, this one. I totally think people are liking what they are getting at the moment here, so why making any changes, right? Just because there's a new year doesn't mean we need to change anything. We will keep making awesome videos here on the channel. More amazing, mind-blowing battery testing is on the way. We will keep learning together about batteries, solar, energy storage, electronics, and with both success and fail close to each other. But from both we can learn a lot. There will be some new stuff and some new information on the website coming out very soon, which will especially help people new to this whole topic finding the right information to get started with their solar battery projects at home. I'm so glad I found something new for 2022 now. And here's a little preview what is coming next on the channel. Well, I cannot really tell you because there are still 2 more videos coming until we are at this stage, what I just showed you. Well, this video is just to say hello, to wish everyone a happy new year, to welcome all the new subscribers and welcome back all the existing subscribers, of course. Thank you so much for all your support here on the channel in 2021. I had a look at all the statistics, I have forgotten all of them. I wanted to present some statistics to you, but who cares about numbers, right? It is not about how many subscribers the channel has, it is about the community, it is about all your comments, all your amazing assistants, helping each other out, helping me out, and keeping this whole community alive. And I will continue, even in 2022, to read every single of your comments under my videos, and I'm trying to reply to as many as possible. If you have any questions, please leave all your comments down under the video and people will get back to you with answers, with replies, with help, with assistance, helping you guys out, getting your own projects off the ground. Guys, as always, thank you so much for all your support in 2021 and hopefully it continues in 2022 as well. Until the next video coming out tomorrow on the 2nd, well, it will be the 2nd of January 2022 here in Australia. Doesn't matter. You stay charged and safe. Please stay healthy. And thank you again for watching. See you then. Bye bye.